Hello, my name is Matthew Dworak. Today we're going to be talking about profit maximization. The summary: Oil Company X is a large oil refinery which has been expanding and taking on new investment projects. Recently, they have considered building a pipeline that stretches across the United States from Canada to New Orleans. As an alternative investment, they are considering increasing production at existing facilities in order to compare these investments opportunities. I was tasked with finding the profit-maximizing quantity and price if production continues at existing facilities. I will be presenting my findings and recommendations along with supporting documentation such as cost curves, data tables, and equations. Profit maximization is the MC equals the MR, which we'll reach by the point of profit maximization when the marginal revenue MR value and the marginal cost MC values are equal for a level of production in the short run or long run. Marginal cost is the change in the cost for producing one more unit. Marginal revenue is the additional revenue earned by producing one more unit. As you see in the data spreadsheet that was provided, we can see that the lowest average variable cost would be here as 1. 1 unit average variable cost, 64. Losses outlined in red start to be occurred when we get up to 6 quantity. Our profits are outlined in green. We start to accrue losses when we start to get up to 10 quantity. But you can see that we start getting our profit maximization though when you get up to 5 quantity. As you see that our marginal costs and our marginal profits both equalize. This chart graph price, marginal revenue, average total cost, average variable cost, and marginal costs. As you can see, the following marginal costs and marginal revenue curves that they are intersect at the price of 173 and a quantity of 5 million, right in the middle. This is the point in which MR is equal to MC. This is our new equilibrium point, where we will produce the level of profit maximization, MC. To conclude, at this point, my recommendation is that we increase in production is a viable option. The point in which the proposal to shut down would be made at the lowest average variable cost is illustrated in the spreadsheet. This point is at $640,000. At this level of production, we are turning a marginal profit just over 2.1 million and a total profit of 1.78 million. Profit maximization is reached at a quantity of 5 million. We'll see, as illustrated by the spreadsheet, that marginal revenues and marginal costs are equal at 1.73 million. This level of production will yield us our highest total profits at 4.78 million for any facility to be operating at a rate of production over 5 million would be inefficient and cost prohibitive. Production levels over 5 million will result in a reduction of profits teetering on a brink of a loss. The spreadsheet and curve both illustrate the new equilibrium point of 5 million units at 1.73 million. Thank you for your time and have a great day.